This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. We can start our session now. So screen is visible to you all students. So we are in SAP Easy Access screen. So how to open the software, once again I'll show you. How many students has installed? I think 9 students almost has installed. So I'm going to show you once again what you have to do. Double click on the software. So resume the virtual machine. Okay, so you will get SAP Easy Access screen. Okay, so we need to go to the SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. So I'll just little bit tell you about those what is company and how to use this. Now little bit I'll show this previous classes things. So enterprise structure. What we need to do first, we have to define a company. As I told you, what do you mean by company? Company is an organization. So in SAP company, when you are creating, it should be a 6 digit. Company code will be you have to take as a 4 digit. Just like example is Tata Group of Company. This Tata Group of Company I am creating T8828, and here MT10 and MT28. These are called company codes. Okay, and we have to create chart of accounts, business area, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai. This is called different places where business area are there. Okay, so specification requirements is language should be English, accounting system as per Indian accounting standard. Financial year is 1st April to 31st March. So this is for different. We have a 3 financial year, but this is according to the Indian accounting standard. Currency we are using INR. This is called also local currency. Books of accounts are maintained in INR, but all currencies can be used while posting the transaction. So here you have to make a note. Company can be maintained books in 2 or more currencies, but actually we are using in currency. Now the procedure to define a company. OX, I have already shared the two presentations as well as the Excel sheet. And procedure of define company, one more time I'll show you practically how to do this. So define company, here we have a transactions code. So I'm going to the software, I'm going to create one more new company in this case. So how to go? You will be open in the SAP Easy Access screen. In the T code bar, you have to type SPRO. Okay. So then you have to click on SAP reference IMG. Notes has already been shared. So financial account, you have to go to the enterprise structure. In the enterprise structures, you have to go to the definition. So all students has, everyone has joined here. So those who are new students, today they have joined. Can you put a thumbs up? I think these all students, whatever in the screen, already attending the classes. Some more new students has joined in this group, I think. So they can put the thumbs up. Those who have joined today. So I'll get to know. Okay, Srija, Ghosh, Nivedita. Okay. Any other students has joined today? Okay. We'll see in the later few minutes. Now all you can see here, already I have shared the notes. And one more thing, here we have to go to the enterprise structure, SPRO, enterprise structures definitions, financial accounting, define company. What a company, if I'll open this now, you can see in these steps you can create a company. A company is an organizational unit in accounting which represents a business organization. According to the requirements of the commercial laws in a particular country, so this is the company. And how you can create a company, this is you can read whenever you're free. And just click on this IMG activities, click on the new entries. We need to create a one company now. So I am giving now.
Listen, mom.
Yes,
Mom,
tell me.
when I open VMware Workstation and it says uh,
Hmm.
username and password.
It is asking username and password. Okay, students, I'll
Yes.
show you some more things here. Okay, I'll cancel it. I think they have set for this password, right? It is power off actually now. So I'll just 1 minute. I'll just show you the power on power off. 1 second. So here we have options called power off. Okay. Why it is asking? Because admin has set according to that. I think if I'll suspend the guest, uh, you have installed through admin, right? It is not showing the first screen like this. First screen is not showing like this. Hello.
Ma'am, I think I put the virtual machine on power off.
You should not do power off. I told you that day also because it will ask you the longer procedure to again. Okay, that's what it was already done in the screen only. Resume the virtual machines only. You need to click on this. If you have done power off, then you can click on the power. So if I'll do, it will be little bit trouble. Okay, I'll take a risk on this. Let me power off. So it is asking, are you want to discard this changes all this thing? It may be happen so much things. So you give once username. What is the? It will ask you. Password is India123. Username, you just click on this. It will take, I think. Can you share the screen in the group? I can just help you out. Because password is India123. Are you in SAP logon access? Hello?
Ma'am, just a second.
Huh. I'll see which screen actually it is. So only I can tell you. Because admin has set in the system also which system I am taking the class. So I need not to do power off, or else I'll show you after the class before 10 minutes. Can I know who is asking this?
I'm Snehashri. Ma'am, I've
Sneha.
shared
So
the picture of my screen.
okay, I'll just in group you have sent. Okay, I'll just see where you want this. Okay, so it is showing no control alter insert you put. I'll tell you. Control alter and insert. If insert button is there in your keyboard, you do that. Or else you click on that particular name only. So username automatically it will display. Password is India123. Are you able to do that? Okay, I'll got the screen. Now you select the drop down menu is there. Click on that. Stop error you select. In this drop down menu, select the drop down menu. Okay. So then problem ID is system error failure. Then click on OK. Nothing you have to do. Click on OK. Is it accepting? Okay, fine. The screen has come. Here you have to do SAP Management Console. Okay, double click on SAP Management Console. Okay, and send the next one. Okay. So what the screen is displaying SAP Management Console after that. Okay. So here right click on the GCC. The second option is there, no? That this left side in ECC. Right click and click on start. So right click on ECC and click on start. So it will become green. Okay. So your password is India123. Password is India123 and click on OK. There is no space, there is no caps lock. Only simply India123 you type. Okay, it has to be, the color should be green. So ECC color. It will take few minutes to start. Okay, it is yellow, then it will become green. Okay, first it is yellow. It will become green. Okay, once it will become green, then you have to click on this. You have to minimize. After this, you have to click on what is that, SAP logon. Yes, so it's done. Yes, so now you can now you can minimize this. Don't close, minimize, minimize the screen, minimize this screen only, and double click on SAP logon. Don't close this ECC, this one. Double click on SAP logon. Yes. After this, it will ask you username, password. User is SAP user. It will ask you the, so username in password every time. SAP logon, it will come. Click on logon. It will open. It will open. Just wait for minutes. It will take time. It is not faster. It will not open. Then you have to leave the username and password. Username is your SAP user and password is in India 123. So username, SAP user, and yes, password is India 123. I think this what has been set. You can check it out. And language is English. Other things you need not to change. EN, and not to other thing you need not to change. That's all. Click on OK. So this is the procedure. Okay, now I will continue the class. Now you can see the students. Then what will happen? This you can resume the virtual machines. I'll show you before 10 minutes also one practically how to do this. Power on, power off. Right now we'll start the class. So here SPRO, SEP reference IMG. Then you have to go to the enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Is it done, Snehashri? You got the SAP Easy Access screen? Yes, Snehashri? Okay, it's loading. SAP Easy Access screen.
Ma'am, can you just explain to me, like, could you go before this and in the beginning,
No, we'll
how
start
did you
the
like
class
actually land
because
here?
already. No, I'll explain you after the class itself. Means after not before 10 minutes, we'll start the class. Now you got it. Okay, you finally you got it. And next we'll do what is that after this. Okay, So we'll start the new entries. Is that okay, Snehasri? Now you can do it with me. Okay. So what to do here? You got the SAP Easy Access screen, right? And here you need to type SPRO, press enter, SAP reference IMG, then enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. So define company, you have to click on new entries. So what is the company? As I told you, company will be 6 digit. So I'll give TA 26 is there. I'll just create TA. Suppose I'm giving 51. Okay. So Tata 51. So I'll give Tata Group of Company 50. Any name you can give. So I'm giving, or else I'll give suppose Tech 11. No one has created means we can use that one. So Tata Group Company 11 I'll create. So here I'm giving postal code 560011. City is Bangalore. City is Bangalore. Country is India. You can select this. Language key is EN and currency is INR. All are getting, students. So this you have to do and click on save. Once you click on save, this is not the company. We have to create the request. So here we'll get the options create request. So in the short description area, you have to give same thing. Tata Group of Company 11. Okay. So what we'll do? Tata Group of Company 11 we have to give. So in that case, you have to click on the save button and click on this continue or enter key. So this has been, you can use Control S also. And now you can see TATA 11 Tata Group of Limited. So back. So this is the defined company. Now we have to create a company code. How to create a company code? So here we have this company code, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Just like I told you, Tata Group of companies, a Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Tata Shoes, like this different types of products of Tata. So different types of companies are there. So each company represents a code. Okay, that is a company code. In this activity, you can create your company codes. This company code is an organizational unit used in accounting. It is used to structure the business organization from a financial accounting perspective. Okay, so how to create a company code? So what we need to do here, we have to double click on this image activity, IMG activity, and click on the where edit company code data. If you double click on this, what you will get one more screen. This is called change view company code. So we have to click on new entries. All students, you are getting how to create a company. Everyone is getting here. Snehashri, are you able to do
Ma'am,
this? Yes. Akshay, tell Akshay what you are
ma'am, I'm
asking something.
actually, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I've sent you an image in the group actually. I'm still in that page only, ma'am. So how do I actually go to, SPRO, ma'am? Can you just explain that?
No, this is, I think your server is getting slow. It will be loading. Once you click on login, I have sent a username password what Snehasri have done so that you can use this because it's loading now. You students should not power off, students. You should just in the SAP Easy Access screen, you just do the shutdown the guest. If you will do power off again, it will time to start again. So that admin has set all these things. We need to
Mom,
here.
also,
Yes, you give your SAP user no caps lock. Snehasri here no caps lock, only SAP user and password is India123, and if you will try the wrong password it will be locked again, you need to come to installation. So that will be difficult, and don't type any caps lock or other space or something like this. As I have sent like this only you have to use. If any problem then you have to again contact with the admin because the software is like this. So I am telling, and don't use please long password and SAP user password as I send you India 123. Okay, you got the
Oh,
SAP Easy screen, Akshaya?
ma'am, I
Then
got the
access
SAP
easy.
Easy Access
Yes,
screen.
go to the
Yeah,
T code Burma.
yeah.
That is white space is there. Go to the T code bar. I'll
Yes.
show you here. You can see on my screen.
Uh,
Where is my cursor? There
Okay,
you have to go. Type SPRO.
okay. 1 minute,
Then
ma'am.
click SPRO. Press enter key. You will get.
Ma'am, then I got something that's customizing execute project or something.
Huh. Wait, I'll show you this again. I'll just cancel it.
Ma'am,
See,
can you show from the starting?
1 minute, 1 minute. So this you are getting execute project. Click on the step reference IMG. I have sent the notes. You should have to download that. So SAP reference IMG. Then you will get the screen. Display image screen. You will get it.
Yes, ma'am, I got the screen. Yes.
Got it? Okay, good. So I just sent. Everyone will get to know T code bar and click on SAP reference IMG. All you are getting, you understood students? Reference IMG. Okay, so you will get the screen display image. Okay, so that is the things. Now here you have to go enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. All you are getting enterprise structure, and here if you click on the triangle, then go to the definition. Definition. Then you have to go to the financial accounting. Financial accounting. Then you have to do define company. Define
Ma'am,
company.
actually it says SAP easy access not responding.
We'll continue the class. I'll see up before 15 minutes on this. Okay. Next we have to go to the this one. Double click on the edit code. I have sent the path. You can check it out. So click on new entries. I'm going to create here empty. What we have created 11. I'll create empty 11 or TA 11. I'll create TA 11. Company name is Tata Group of Company. We'll check it out before ending the session. We'll check it out. So
No, I can't even
city is
suspend the
Bangalore.
case.
We there's a lot of students. I'll just tell you later. Just to see that whatever I'm doing, because this is the revision class. Next, I'm not going to revise on this. So just see step by step, and you can do afterwards. Not a problem. Company. So here Tata Group of Company, because this is only one day revision class. After this, we'll start other topics and all. That's why.
Ma'am, how did you go to
Use
these new entries, ma'am? to the screen?
Ma'am, can you show us from define
Ma'am, how?
company?
I have already shown. I
Yes,
have
ma'am,
already
from
shown
there.
this 3 times. Okay, so just students, you cooperate with
Because
this.
now we want to
It
follow
is the
along with
recordings
you so that
also
we
there.
okay.
Huh. So I'll just save this. I'll show you. Okay. So this is the reason, and you have to click on tick mark. So now the request has been created. Save this. Define company in the financial accounting. You have to go to the define company itself. Here in the financial accounting, see my structure, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define company. Then I have created the company code. Next we are going to create define credit control areas. So click on this, click on new entries. Credit control area is TA11. I'll give here, and next I'm going to give your INR. You can follow the recording. And next is credit limit is 1 lakh. You have to set. Click on this save button. Once you click on the save, it will save with the customizing request. Next, here we need to type credit control area. Credit you can download and see that TA11. So credit control area for TA11. So I'll just capital A. I'll give 11. Okay, click on the save. Once data has been saved, you can come back. Next, what we have to do, define business area. So in the define business area, go to the new entries. So same TA11, here you can do business area for TA11. This is the company code which I am giving here. Click on this and this is also saved. Okay, so you can check the positions how we can see we have created or not. So you have to type TA11. All this to check this whatever you have created you can see on the position. Okay, when you click on the, suppose I want to see the company which I have created, what I'll do, click on the position TA11 I have given. I can see my company has been created or not. So it has been created, right? So position is there to check this. Now I have created credit control area. To check how it is, click on the positions TA11. Now we can see this we have already created. Next backs. Next you have to define business area also we have done. So edit, copy, delete, check company code is to create company code. Edit company code data. I have created TA11. How to check I have created or not? Click on the positions TA11. Now you click on this, it has been also created. Back. Close the screen. Next, all these things we have to put the assignments. In the assignments means after financial accounting, you have to see here, come down, and here is the assignments. So define has been done. Now assignment financial accounting. In the financial accounting you have to do assign company code to company. So how to assign company code, you have to click on the positions. What is the company code? TA11. Now I am going to assign this to the company itself. So what is the company? TA11. So that is the company. Click on save and click on this customizing request. This has been done. Likewise, we have to assign the company code to credit control area. Click on this, click on the positions. We have this TA11. Now you can see we have to assign this TA11. Credit control area I am going to assign. Click on this. Now all this data has been saved, which we have done in the second classes. Okay. Now we have to do the last class things. Everyone following, everyone getting this, how to do this. Okay, all the recordings will be there, students. You check it out and you can do it. Next we have to do fiscal year. What is the fiscal year? I told you last class, it is the belongs to the financial year. Fiscal year, it's starting from this 1st of April to 31st March. That is the financial year. And it is the posting period will be in the 1st of April, then May, June, July. Likewise, ninth posting period will be on December. Okay. So that is the posting periods we have done. Okay. So documents to this employees, a lot of things has to be done here. Posting periods. So what is the posting periods and fiscal year and field status variant? Here we have some options here. Fiscal year, as I told you, it will start from the 1st of April to 31st March. We have assigned last class field status variant also. What is the field status variant here? In SAP FICO, a field status variant is predefined or field status that control the status of field is a screen for particular transactions master records. The path I have given here SP reference ING, financial accounting global settings, document line items control, define field status variant. This is the path, students. So I'm going to do the fiscal year first. So how to do fiscal year? So financial accounting, just click on this definition not. Enterprise structure has over, students. Next you have to go to the financial accounting global settings. We have a fiscal year, maintain fiscal year variant. In this fiscal year variant, as all company transactions will be first starting from the 1st of April to 31st March. Already I have explained what is that. So in SAP we have a 12 posting periods and 4 special periods. That means total posting periods will be 16. Okay. Posting period, what does it mean by? It is used for document entries. When we are doing the GL posting parking, that time the posting period is required. Transactions on 1st of April. So the post. So what will be the posting period according to the Indian accounting standard? April, May, June, July. So posting period will be 4. Okay. So likewise we have these things. So how to go to the fiscal year variant? Financial accounting global settings, then fiscal year, then maintain fiscal year variant, maintain shorten and fiscal year. Just click on this ING activities. So you will get the screen. In this you have to click on the position. This fiscal year variant is V3. Okay, V3 you have to put. What is V3? V3 is April to March and 4 special periods. That means 16 posting periods. And V6 is June to July, V9 is October to September, VB is April to March. Okay, so according to the Indian accounting standard, we are using, and K4 is for January to December, which American people are using. But we Indian people are using V3, which is known as the April to March, where we have a 12 posting period and 4 special period. Okay, what is the 4 special periods that will be adjusted with the transactions of the previous year? Okay, next we have to select this V3 and click on copy as. Once you click on copy as, I am going to give the 11 and press enter. So this, what is displaying an error message, an entry exists with the same key. So what I'll give here, I'm going to give another one. Suppose I'm giving 24. So you have to cancel these transactions and again you have to do, because this will be not be saved. If I check it out, it has been saved or not. Let's check 24. It has been saved or not. Yes, it has. It is halfly saved. So we are not going to use this. Again, I am going to 53 V3 and click on this. And what we have to do? Copy as. Change this as a T5. This also has been used. Okay. Yes, T6 is taking, so I'll be taking as a copy all. Okay. Once you click on copy all students, all 64 has been copied. So T6 is my fiscal year variant. It can be any two digits, means numbers. It can be alphanumeric number, but it should be two characters. Either it is a two alphabets, two numbers, or one alphabet, one numbers, but it should be two. Okay. So click on the save and save with the company customizing request. Once it has done, just click on this and check it out your periods. So all it has been cleared. So what is that? -1 -1 is the what? Year shifting. Means this is from first April. Just like take an example of 2024 to 25. Now it is from 1, 2, 3, 4. It is containing December. It will be 9 posting periods. Again, the year shifting means last year -1, -2, -3, -1, -1, -1. This is 10, 11, 12. This is called January, February, and March. Okay, January, February of March of the last year. It is called year shifting. Means it will shift to the, it has came to the last year instead. So that is called year shifting, and you need to click on save and come back. Other things you need not to do, just go back. Next we have to assign company to fiscal, assign company code to fiscal year variant. Click on this, and then I have given T6, remember that. Click on positions, company code is TA11, then we have to click on tick, and fiscal year what I have given, I have given T6. If for your verifications you can click on this and you can check it out. Okay, you can check it out where you have given T6. Now you can see this T6 has been done, and click on this save button. It will show no posting periods, but you press enter and save it. Cancel it. You have to data will be lost. Click on this and then you save. So it will be saving. Once you click on this save the changes, first it will ask, then click on save. Okay, so if I want to check once again the data has been saved or not, click on the position, company code you give, whatever your company code, and check it T6 has been saved here. Okay, next cancel this, and next I am going to do your posting periods. So how to do posting period? Click on this document, click on this document, sorry, and what you have to do here, after document, click on this posting periods, define open and close posting period. So define variant of open posting period. So click on this. Now we have to click on new entries, not copy as new entries. So what I have given here, TA11. Here we have to give posting period, sorry, variant for TA11. So click on save. Sorry, save this. So come back, check the position. TA11, click on this tick mark. Now we have created this. After this, we have to open and close posting periods. So open and close posting periods I have not started, so I am going to do today. So till this, any doubts you have, students? All are getting? First is enterprise structure, then financial accounting, then you have to create fiscal year, then you have to assign the fiscal year to the company code, then you have to do posting period variants, then after we'll do charts of field status variant, then chart of accounts. So all are getting, students? If you are understanding, put a thumbs up. Okay. Other students,
Ma'am,
are
I
you
have a
getting?
doubt actually.
Those who are newly joined? Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I have a doubt actually.
Yes, Akshay, your voice is not clear. Tell
Ma'am,
me
can you hear me
any
right now?
doubts you have.
Can, Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Tell
Yeah.
me.
y-
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, actually, in our SAP team, right, ma'am, where do you go to actually, you know, for the physical year,
Little
for
voice is
maintaining the
breaking.
physical,
Tell me. Physical,
ma'am,
not
in
fiscal
the,
year variant. Huh.
yes, ma'am. Where did you go for that, ma'am, in our display image, actually?
I will show you once again. See this. Okay, I'll show you once again where to go. Just write the path, financial accounting. So you are in display email screen. Go to the financial accounting, global set. Then click on fiscal year. I will show you once again. See on the screen, right? Financial accounting global settings, then fiscal year. Okay, click on maintain fiscal year variant. So got it? After this, you have to double click on this ING activities. You will get the screen. Once you will get the screen, you have to click on the positions. New entries you cannot click. You have to click on the position V3. You have to give V3. Click on this tick mark and select this and copy as. Once you will copy as, change the numbers. Fiscal year variant you change it. Any two digits you give or any two alphabets you can give like this. Or one alpha, one numeric also you can give and press enter. Once you will press enter, it will ask you copy one, copy all. You need to click on copy all. You need to click on copy all. Then you save the button. Click on the save button and save with the customizing request. Okay. So that is the procedure. Then you have to assign. Click on this company. This is take the position. Give the company code what you have created and click on this tick mark and type the fiscal year what you have given. Okay, then click on save. Once it will show some kinds of yellow error message, just keep on enter two times and save the button. And again, it will ask you the customizing request. Save with the customizing request. Okay. Next, I am going to tell you define posting period variants. As I told you have to click on new entries and you have to type the company code and posting period variant for here I have created. So here you can see I have created this posting period variant. You need to type in this way, not this one. What we have created TA11. This is our posting period variant. So click on the save button. Then I am going to create open and close posting periods. So open and close posting periods. In this queue, you have to click new entries. See there, students. Assign variant to company code. First, we can take a positions. Company code we need to assign, or else you will not get. So here I am assigning the TA11. So I am going to assign the fiscal posting period variant to what is that? In this here, posting period variant to company. I am going to save this. Okay, steps is given on this already I have sent also, you can check it out. Now here open and close posting period. If you click on this, what is that? Here I want to tell you what is the open and close posting periods. ADKMS. When we are creating a GL account, this and all it will require. This is called accounts group. What is that? This is called assets, liability, income, and expenses. In that assets, we have to create customer, vendors, material, GL account. So we are defining the accounts as an A for assets, D for customer, K for vendors, M for materials, S for GL account. So you have to select which you have the 5. See, this company does not have M, so you should not select. This company has all A, D, K, M, S is there. So students, you can make a note here. For posting period, A is for assets, D for customer, A for vendors means suppliers, M for material, and S for GL account. So what I need to do, one plus I have to select, and this and all you have to click, and you have to click on copy as. You have to click on copy as. Once you click on copy as, students, what we need to change. So here I am going to change as a TA11. TA11. Next I am going to change here also TA11. Then I am going to change here TA11. This is our company code which I am giving here. So TA11. Okay. Now what is that? We need to change this here posting periods. So what is the posting period now? 2024. As our financial year is 2024, we need to change here as a 24 from year to years. Okay. So here we have to change 24, 24. This is also 24. Okay, students, this you need not to change anything here. Just here you have to change 25, 25, 25. You should not press enter in this case. What I am saying, when I am going to the next row, you have to use down arrow key. Students, be careful. You should not press enter key to go to the next row like Excel. You have to use the down arrow key to go to the next row. Understanding? So here to go to the up, you can just click through mouse and 2005. Next come back to this here and 2005. This is from and to. This is 13 and 14. This is 16 posting periods as I told you. So all it will become 25 itself. Okay. Then here also you need to change. Fine. All it is done. So first one is from starting is 24, then 2 period 25, again 25, 25, 25. This you have to do and click on enter key. So number of entries copied 6. After this you have to click on save. Understood, students? You have to press enter and save with the customizing request. Okay, so how to check it has been created or not? Give the company posting period as a TA11. You will get to know it has been created. Okay, it has been created. Likewise from 24 to 25, 25, 25. We have done assign variant to company code. We have done. Next, I am going to tell you define document number ranges. What is the document number range? I'll tell you a little bit what is the document splitting document number range is there. Okay. What is document type number range? See your students. So define document type number range FBN1 and tolerance group and assign this topics I am going to teach today. Document type number distinguish between different business transactions and classify the accounting document. It is also used in the number range for documents and account types such as assets, material, vendors, and posting. In the document types, as I told you, just now I shown you what is the open and close posting period. In that, document types are available. What is the document type? SA for GL posting, AA for asset posting, DA for customer document, DR for customer invoice, DZ for customer payment, KA for vendor document, KR for vendor invoice, KZ for vendor payment, KG for vendor credit memo. These are document types. So for this we have to create number range. Number range, why it is used? When you are posting the document, it should be start with the 0, 1, 2 and numbers. Suppose I am creating document number is 0, 1, 2 till 1000 or 5000 or 10,000, like this I can give this thing. Okay, so that many documents I'll be able to post. Okay, that is the things of document number range. So now in SAP we are going to create document number ranges. So click on this define document number range. So what we have to give here, TA11. So I'm going to, for this company code, see here change intervals, there is nothing is there. So we need to create. So you have to give the company code and click on change intervals. Once you click on change intervals, then click on intervals. Okay, click on intervals. So what I have to give? I have to give 0, 1. Starting year is 0 to 4. It is a financial year. So document number, what we have to give? Suppose the number should be 1000 to 199. Okay, this I have given the number range. Insert entries and click on save. Okay, once it has
Ma'am,
been saved, tell me.
m- ma'am,
Like
can
this,
you
you
just
have to
go
click.
from,
So this document
ma'am,
number
can
range
you,
has been created. 1 minute, I'll just save this. Okay, the data has been saved. Tell me here. Who is asking student
ma'am,
now?
can you, ma'am, it's me, Akshay, who's asking, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Tell me, Akshay.
Ma'am, can you just teach little bit slowly, ma'am, from that document range because none of us actually understood where we actually have to go and start with that. Can you just go slowly, ma'am, so we all will get the gist of that?
Okay, I'll go back once. 1 second. Till where you did not understand? Posting period you understood? Fiscal year,
No,
because
ma'am.
fiscal year I taught last class itself. Till this
Yeah,
I
well,
revised
that's
today.
fine, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Starting from
Till
posting
this
period,
I
ma'am.
last class I taught till this much. So I revised from the defined company, and you can follow the recordings also. And field status I have to do. So I have done posting periods today. What is that? After fiscal year, in the document you will get, ma. See this fiscal year. Then just below that document is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Starting
got
from the
it.
posting
Next,
periods, ma'am.
then posting period. Like this
Yes.
fiscal year, just below that document is there. You have to click this triangle. Are you getting, Akshay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm getting it. Yeah.
Okay, you do it. I'll just give to 5 your doubt. You can see on the screen document number range. Okay, posting periods first you have to do. Then these three options you have to see: define posting periods. So you have to click on new entries as I told you. I'll just tell you which we have created. Okay, so give the variant name. Click on new entries. Give name as a company code.
Ma'am,
Once you
For the
enter
getting
the defined
students?
opening posting
Tell
periods,
me.
right? Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, once you enter the defined
Okay.
opening posting periods, right, ma'am? What did you do after that actually?
Yes. Yes, yes. You have done this, Akshay,
Yeah.
you've done this. New entries you have done. Okay. Save this till this it's clear. So I'll show you. This step you can do afterwards. Means after this you can do assign variant to company code.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Assign variant to company code. Click on the position button and give the company code, and here we need to assign. I have given same variant name, so you just type the that what name you have given. Basically I'll use the same name, company code only I'll use to remember. If I'll give different variant, if you forget, then it will be problem. So give the same code only and click on save.
Ma'am, so in our assign company code, right, ma'am, by default itself, there are some of
Assign
them which is already existing, right?
existing. So what, how to check? Click on position.
Okay, ma'am. So we're just giving up a position. So, ma'am, what should
Yes,
I type under the
you should type your
company code and
company code,
company name?
Akshay. Yes, company code.
Okay.
The 4-digit company code you need to type.
Okay, ma'am. There I have to go. 1 minute, ma'am. I'll
Then
do
click
that.
on this green color tick mark is there. No, click on this and you will get it.
Okay.
Just like I have given TA11, like this I am getting. So here you will get the white space. You need to type that variant what you have given.
Okay,
Variant
ma'am. So
you have
after
given
the
your
company code, yeah, after
uh,
the company code, where should I type the company name then?
no, I'm not getting your question. Huh? See this where you are
I've
defined
typed the
this you
company.
this you have created what you have given variant name. What variant name you have given?
I've,
No, what is your company code? You tell me
I've not.
first.
My company code is TA11,
Company
ma'am.
code, same things you are doing. Okay, very good, no problem. So this
Yes,
one
ma'am.
you are giving TA11.
Yes, ma'am. I'm giving TA11. Yes.
Okay, same things you are doing. Okay, no problem. So this
Yeah.
screen is displaying like this TA11 posting period variant. Then click on save
Yes.
first.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then you go to the assign variant to company code.
Okay.
Then click on position. That same company code TA11 you do. All students you do with the same only. Don't do any changes. First you practice with this what I have given. TA11 only you practice.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am. After
Once you give
TA11.
the company code, you will get this white space in variant. Just below the variant, type TA11 only.
1 minute, ma'am. Under variant. Okay. I got a yellow cell actually after I typed TA11.
How? You will not get any
After I typed
colors and all.
TA11, I got a yellow cell, ma'am.
Can you show the screenshot? I'm not getting that.
Yes, ma'am. I'll send it in the group. I got it like this way. I don't know if it's correct or wrong.
I'll just check. Then only I'll tell you.
Yes, ma'am. I've sent it in the group.
Okay, let me check. Nothing is happening. Just press enter.
Okay.
it is not accepting your link. Click on save button. It is saving or not, check it out. Once again, your company, you are wrongly your TATR00 company code, you are doing in wrong company. See, you have not created, I think, company code itself. This is wrongly you are doing. Where is your
Okay.
company only? My Tata group of companies displaying your company. You have not created company itself. From beginning,
Okay.
you have to do. You have to do from beginning. I showed you from beginning today. See the recordings and do it once. Okay. So that is the
Okay, ma'am,
things.
I'll
It
do
is
that.
saving with another company, so it will show the yellow. Got to know? Do
Okay.
it today. I
Yeah,
have this
got it, ma'am.
recordings. I have fully done from the beginning itself. See that.
Okay.
So
Fine, ma'am, I'll do
open
that.
and close posting periods. Now I'm showing a document number range. Recordings is there. Follow this. Define document number range. So as I have given TA11, this company only you have to create. Okay. So click on this change intervals. So I have already done. So you have to create students like this. This is display intervals. What I have created, I can see on this. If there is nothing is there, you have to click on change intervals, and you have to give how you have to give here. Click on intervals. You have to give 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 4, and from account number, 1,000 you can give, 100 you can give, 1 you can give also, and two numbers. I am given 1,000 to 199. That many documents I will be able to post in the software. So that is the things. Next, we need not to assign this copy to company code. This is not required, students. Don't do anything on this. These two options, previous class one topic, that is called field status variant. So field status variant, after this we'll do chart of accounts. So how to go to the status variant? Here we have to go to the financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business So just a minute, students. Field status variant we have done last class. Okay, I'll check it out. So field status variant is path. I have given here SPRO, self IMG, financial accounting global setting, document, line items, and control and define field status variant. Okay. Here line items. Here line items, then control. I have mentioned, I think, line item control, then define field status variant and click on IMG activities. So sorry. So here line item controls, then define posting key. Student, posting key you need not to define. Why? Because what is this posting key? Everyone know about the vendors, customers. What do you mean by vendors, students? What do you mean by vendors? All suppliers of goods and services, right? These are called vendors. And customers are the consumers. So we have the posting entries. What is actually posting key? Just like in the general ledger account. So in the journal entries, what we have? This journal entries, we have a two lines entries, like one account debit and one account credit. Everyone, as you are common students, students, BCom students, BBA students, then you are knowing that what is journal entries, right? Journal is the book of first book of every business transaction where the transactions are recorded for the first time. Then we are posting into the ledgers, right? So in the journal posting, what we are doing, every business transaction is a two lines entries, one account, one is debit entry, one is credit entry, right? So the debit in this SAP software we are assigning with the posting keys. Okay, so debit entry will be the 40 and credit entry will be the 50. Okay, likewise if you do for the vendor posting, now you can show in this, that is all mixing up with the metal management, FICO, SD, all this thing. Now I'll show you 40 is the debit entry for the GL account, 50 is the credit entry for the GL account. Okay, likewise we have 31 invoice credit entry for vendor, that is for vendor invoice, and 01 is for customer invoice. Students, we need to remember the four keys. 01 is for customer debit entry, 31 is the invoice credit memo for vendors, and we have a general posting is 40 is for debit entry for GL account, and 50. These four posting keys you need to remember. Okay, so next, this we need not to do anything here, just I shown you. And define field status variant. So what is the field status variant here? Let's me check with this. Just like we have a field groups, I told you in the last class this we have done actually. So like general ledger, when we are creating purchase, sales, we are creating rent paid account, commission paid, interest received, commission received, all types of ledgers will comes under which group? That is called balance sheets and general ledgers. Okay, now I'll show you the inbuilt in SAP software 0001 is the inbuilt field status variant. If I click on this field status group, now you can see on the screen, student, G001 is for general with the text allocation. G005 is for bank account. Suppose I am creating a ledger, ICICI bank account or HDFC bank account. In that case, what accounts group I have to select? I have to select the bank account. That is called accounts group. Okay. Likewise, we have a G067. G067 is for what? Reconciliation account. That is for vendors. Now you can see reconciliation account. Reconciliation accounts always used for vendors and customers. Okay, in the SAP we have to assign on this when you are creating the GL masters. So likewise we have to create now the field status variant. So what we need to do here, click on this position. Now just you click on this. Now I'll show you once again. Go to the financial accounting global settings, document, line items, control, then define field status variant. If you double click on this, you will get the screen. Copy the first one, 0001. Once you click on copy 001, you have to click on copy as. So copy as, now I am going to change here as a TA11. Okay, I'm going to give here TA11. Company code only I'm saving. Press enter. So you have to click on, you should not click on only one copy entry or cancel. We have to click on copy all. Once you click on copy all, 41 entries will be copied here. Now you can see what will display on the screen. Now you can see number of dependent entries copied is 41 as I told you. So after saving all these things, what you have to do, click on this and click on the, so you can save button also you can do, and save with the customizing request. And if you want to see what is there on this, you can just a field status group. You can see this has been created with the TA11 field status variant. Now all these things has been there, students. So whenever you are creating GL masters, before that it is mandatory to create field status group. Okay. Then click on save button and back. Again back. Okay, now assign company code to field status variant. Click on this, click on the positions. When you are assigning anything you need to click on position. That you have to remember, students. So I am giving TA11. Click on this company code, and what pin status I have given, TA11. So I am going to press enter. So it is showing in C. Akshaya, you can see on my screen. At that time, see my company, according to this company name is also displaying, city also displaying, field status. Everyone getting, students? So you should not save with the other company, and always you have to check you are doing with your company or any other company. That is very important on this. Akshay, are you getting? All the students, Joshna, Snehasri, Pooja, Yashita, Rakshita, Raksha, I think Nivedita, all students, I am asking to all, everyone is getting, huh? Okay, so see this, you have to click on this and save this. Once you save with the customizing request. So this is we have assigned. Next, after this, nothing you have to do here. Only define field status variant and assign company code to field status variant. That has been done. So it has the in the notes also. You can check it, students. Follow the notes. Follow the recordings. I have given all the steps. Okay. So you can find at this. See, code you have to give company name, city, and field status. I have given the meaning also, company, and I have given the steps also. Likewise, you need to follow, students. Okay, and this I'll send you if it is not sent. Next, I'm going to create a chart of accounts. How to create a chart of accounts? What do you mean by chart of accounts actually? I think last class we have still bit discussed or not, I did not remember. So chart of accounts belongs to your assets, liabilities, income and expenses. Okay, and capital also as well. So when you are creating ledgers, we need to select the chart of accounts. So now I am going to create chart of accounts. What's the procedure here? So go to the financial accounting, general ledger accounting, GL account, master data preparations. See that path. So you have to go to the SPRO, SEP reference ING, sorry, financial accounting, then general ledger accounting, chart of accounts. Here it is there. This I have explained. So SPRO, SEP reference IMG, financial accounting, you general ledger accounting, master data, GL account, preparations, edit chart of account list. You have to click on this. Okay. And here we have edit chart of account list. So what you have to do, click on new entries, chart of accounts. I am going to create TA11, sorry, TA11. So descriptions, I'll give chart of accounts for TA11. Maintain language, we have to give English. GL account number 6. I told you last class this topic. You can do manual, automatic, let it be like this, not a problem. So what you have to do here, I think I have screened the screenshot also. In the screenshot also there are students, you can see that. Account number, GL account number, you can give anything, 5, 4, 6. I have given 6 when I create the GL master. I should start with the 1 lakh. Understanding? No, 1 lakh is for assets. 1 lakh to 199 I have set for assets. You can take 5, you can take 3, does not matter. So there should be a length of the GL account number. It has to be mentioned in that. Suppose you have mentioned 5 and you are giving suppose 300, so it will not be acceptable. So if I'll give 6, I need to start with the 1 lakh. Last class someone has asked me, ma'am, why it is 6? Okay, so you can take it as a 4, you can take it as a 3. So in that case, suppose you are giving 4. So what we have to do means that document, that GL account should be start, suppose assets you are giving 1000 to 199. 1999. So in between this you have to create. You are giving 4 and you are creating on 6. It cannot be done. So that's what we are giving. Length of the GL account number is 6. Okay. So click on the save button and save with the company. Next you can see it has been created. Now we have to assign the company code to chart of accounts. So click on this, take the position, and I'll give here TA11. So it has been done. Chart of accounts is TA11. So click on save. So that is all done. So this is called chart of accounts. Next we have to create a define accounts group. So how to define? So this is one step, students. Till written earnings you have to do. Define accounts group. So here we have to we require new entries. So in that case, I am going to copy this 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is that? As I told you, accounts groups are assets, expenses, income, and liability. Click on copy as. Now you have to change with the chart of accounts what we have given. So I have given TA11. Just use down arrow key. Don't press enter. You will be stuck or else. So TA11. TA11. Okay. So assets 1 lakh to 199. Expenses I have given 4 lakhs to 499. Income is 3 lakhs to 399. Assets and liability 2 lakhs to 299. You have to press enter. Sorry. Click on save. Save with the company. Sorry. So once it has been saved, students, accounts group has been saved. Click on the positions. Check out that. So it has been created. Now the last one is define retained earnings. So retained earnings account, what is that? Let me check what is the retained earnings. See here, students, retained earnings account. Retained earnings account is used to carry forward the balance from the one fiscal year to next fiscal year. You can assign a retained earnings account to PL account. As I told last class, we have to give X that belongs to the profit and loss accounts. So how to go to the retained earnings? Carry forward balance means last year closing balance we have to go to the next year. Understanding? Just like in accounts also you are doing, last year closing balance can be the opening balance of the next year. For that we are using retained earnings account. Is that clear, students? Any doubts you have to understand? Hello? Yes, anyone has any doubts? Retained earnings account. So last year closing balance will be the next year opening balance. So profit and loss accounts belong to the expenses and income. So that will be carried forward. Okay. So I'll be showing you that how to do this. Here I have given the screen XPL and account is X. I have just given one letter and accounts is 2 lakhs 1. So I'll give here just 2 lakhs 100. So click on this define retained earnings. So this is the different chart of accounts what we have done last class. So I am giving TA11 chart of accounts you need to give. You have to type here X 2 lakhs 100. I am giving. You have to press enter. So what is your accounts 2 lakhs 1 not created in the chart of accounts is showing. Just press enter once again and click on save. So this has been created. So this has done. This is all chart of accounts creations, accounts group creations, all these things we have done, students. Next class I'll be starting with the another topics. So document splitting, that will be different. Today, any doubts you have, students? Let me know. Document splitting will be the
Uh,
next, not today. Yes, students, any
Ma'am,
doubts?
can you just share the Excel file that you
Yes,
actually taught today,
I have
not the
already
chart of
sent
accounts, ma'am?
today. I have sent last class this one, I think. Can you check it once? I
No,
have
ma'am.
sent. What I have
Yes, ma'am.
sent
This
them.
this this Excel file is okay, ma'am. But then the previous Excel file which you showed, it contained a lot of information about
This
a
I
lot
have
of the
sent,
other things
I
which you
think.
taught right now. No, ma'am, you did
Other
not
things,
send. You only have sent this Excel file actually. The other Excel
everything is
file you
there.
uh,
Posting keys, posting key you need not to create. Posting just to see that. As I told you, here it is given. I will send you once again this file, does not matter. Chart of accounts, fill status window. In the chart of accounts, already we
yes,
have
ma'am.
written earnings, accounts group. I'll send it once again today. These two sheets I'll be sending you. Next class will be starting with the document splitting and tolerance group. I have not started today. It is another concepts again. We have to define document splitting and tolerance group. I'll be teaching in the next class tomorrow. This I am not
Ma'am,
doing.
when will we
Only
be
as
receiving the recordings of the previous class and this class?
previous, I'm not getting
When will we be
recordings.
receiving the recordings? Ma'am, of
That last
previous
class
class.
recordings. Actually, there is a little bit issues is there. So by I think tomorrow I have already spoke to the admin. You will be only sending. So actually, it has to be sent at to be consultant. We'll send it to you. Well, all these recordings are there. It is their department to send it. I'll just requested them to send it out. Not a problem.
Okay.
Till that, I will send you my notes. You can follow this. Okay. All recordings will be sending you, student. There is no such things like that. Okay. Everything will be getting due to some issues we have not given. Some technical issues is there. So, but recordings are there. I have seen that. So, admin sir will send in the group itself. Okay.
Ma'am, so
And
will you
by
be
1 2 days,
sending
you will get all this. Today's
tomorrow?
recordings also will be getting. Yes, students. Any
So
other
will you be
doubts you
sending
have?
it by tomorrow, ma'am?
We'll try to send by tomorrow. Last class and today's class because today's with this division also, right? From the
Yes, ma'am.
beginning,
Yeah, yeah.
okay. All the recordings will be saved. So it has to be sent. Okay, that's all for the students. We'll send you the recordings. Check it out and do it. Okay. So I have given the password. Those who have power on a power off, try to remember. Has done. So likewise, if Akshara, you need to create new company. That is, you should not use any other company. You have to do define company. How I shown the procedure that you have to do. Even I have sent one text file also. Check it out. That is a notepad file. In this also, first class I have done that. Okay, so that's all for the students. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Tomorrow we have the class 6 o'clock, same time. Okay, anything is there, let me know in the group. Okay, bye bye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Who is
Ma'am,
telling?
I
Pooja?
couldn't
Yes, tell me.
download. Yeah, ma'am. So I couldn't download the application on Saturday because of some personal reasons. So is there any
Okay,
chance that admin will be able to come to college again?
Pooja, can you text me
Yeah, ma'am. Sure, I will. Thank you.
because this is your voice is little fluctuating.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, I will.
Text it and see that. In the chat box only, you can send a message.
Ma'am, I had the same issue like Pooja. We couldn't download the application on Saturday. So, is there any
Okay, so
possibility that?
students, those who are not able to install on that day, So can you once call to the center or NICT Jayanagar, so you can get the informations about that. I think you have to come to the Jayanagar. We'll speak to that. How many students has installed? I got the informations like 9 students has installed on that day.